Alright, just casting, hopefully I'm gonna get some. Alright, I'm getting a crack of a jig under the jetty. Might catch a snapper or a key or something like that. It's gonna be good. Alright, give it a crack. There's all this structure around. There's bound to be a predatory fish here hanging around. And with this metal lure is going to imitate a fish just chilling on the bottom, having a nice little snack. And yeah. Anyway, I think I might have a bit of a hit there, or it was just the bottom. Yeah. Anyway, so it's going to be having a little snack, just chilling. And then this big fish, bigger fish, the predatory pelagic species, is going to be He's going to be hanging around and just waiting for a fish to come along like this. And this is where the lure comes in. The lure is going to be that fish that thing catches, that the predatory fish finds. So, using a little 50-gram twisty, about this size to my glasses. Alright.
That's it.
Hey! Let's go. Film Calvin.
Oh my goodness.
Salmon.
Hey!
Hey!
See your drag.
It's a size one.
See your drag. Alright, reel it up.
Okay, really. Yes!
Sorry, let it sink.
I can't.
Yep. Hang on, Calvin. Bring it over to the rocks here, I'll get it out. I'll get it.
Sorry, you can't get it out. You got Chinese safety shoes.
Exactly, that's why I can get it out.
Just lift it up here. Get it out.
Oh.
Okay, so I get it.
Yes!
Don't pull it up.
I don't want it.
That's way down his gob.